Hi everybody, Todd here.
Connie here.
And we are here at the Caffeine and Chrome Show, or Caffeine and Chrome Car Show. Yeah. So there's a lot of vendors here. We're at the Gateway Classic Cars. We love coming here and seeing their car shows, and it looks like they are slam packed. There's a lot more here than was last year.
Yep.
So we're going to walk around and show you this wonderful show. So let's go. We always love coming out to the Caffeine and Chrome Show. And yeah, we have to get our caffeine for sure. But I want to show you these Cadillacs along here. Check these out. They're still pulling in too. Last year we came, we didn't come till later, and most of these cars were gone. Look at that limo. That's awesome. Look at the lowriders here. Yeah, these are so cool. Check out the sparkle roof. That is so neat. Yeah, we're just going to walk through so you can enjoy all these cars. But this is Cadillac Row right here. These are fantastic. I love them.
He was at the right place at the right time in the car. Yeah. Yeah, because I think this is fairly close, because where the original advertisement was and some, little
town. The Mustangs on the other side too. Well, this is not a Cadillac. Chevy 2 right here. That's so cool. And on the end, got this Rally Sport Camaro here. Nice with the 427. Love that green. I got the newer Mustangs here. All different colors. Very nice. You ready to look at some cool cars?
I'm ready. Let's go.
Yeah, Connie loves her cars, especially the Chevy Bel Airs. That Mercedes is pretty sharp. That's nice. Look at the size of that motor. Holy moly. This thing's huge. Old GTX right there. Nice. So we're going to go up and down each of the aisles here. Check out all the cars with that dune buggy. That's so cool. And this is nice right here. Look at that. Got the Elderbrock. Look at the inside. Not much room, but it's cool. Look at that. Check that going around. That is neat. That's pretty wild. I love that. And this one here is like straight out of the Munsters. That's what it looks like, doesn't it? Check that out. Look at show the back here. Look at the bat.
Oh, I like to see.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
With the pattern in there?
Yeah,
Wow. Kind of a steampunky roadster there. Love that. Look at the bat right here on the ornament. Yeah, it looks like you can see Grandpa driving that. That's cool. Another Cadillac here. Oh, Chrysler. Oh, these are nice. That's convertible too. That's beautiful. How'd you like to be riding around that? The convertible Cadillac.
I like that.
I like the old Cadillacs.
Yeah,
so much room. Wow, I love the color too. That tan with the off-white. Yeah, very pretty.
He drove the
Great paint job, by the way.
Yeah, I love that. It's all Chrysler there. Very nice. Oh, check him out. That's cool. Oh, pickup truck. Wow, so cool. Kind of reminds me of the Aviator set up there. It's cool. Nice.
Look at that plywood floor in there.
Old Ford. Oh, the license plate. That's cool. Wow. Okay, so it's 1926. Yeah, it says June 30th, 26. So it must be a 1926 model. Very cool. Had to get a shot of this Mach 1. Check that out. Love these. Beautiful. There's the inside. Oh, that's very nice. Oh, wow. Get a shot in the back. It's a 1972 Mach 1. Wow, that's really nice. Of course, you got to see your Ferraris at these car shows. Love the white too. You got the red interior. It's beautiful. 488 Spider. Nice. The Montana tag on there. Wow. That's crazy. Get the private jet taking off right there near the Concord Airport. A lot of the race car drivers leave out of the Concord Airport. I don't know if you knew that or not. That's where they get their planes and go to the next race, wherever the next race might be. Oh, look at that Ferrari. And right next to it, Cobra right here, 427. That is a beauty right there. Good looking car. I don't know, it'd be a hard choice right there between those two. Well, not really. I like the Cobra. Oh, I like the Mach 1 too that we just saw. And you get free coffee. This Roman's All-Star Cafe is here. Yeah, might have to get a coffee. I had one cup. Might have to get another one. Oh, check him out. It's all Hemi. Right here, Barracuda. Inside, I don't know if you can see that. Oh, wow. Look at that. Shaker. That's not my camera doing that. That's actually the way it was printed out to make it look like it's shaking. That's pretty nuts. Don't mess your eyes up. You look at it too long. Oh, here we go. Windows down here so we can see the inside of this Barracuda. Wow. Man, that is super nice. Look at that. Inside up here. Yeah, they'll have the Mopar Club here as well. Nice. And Oldsmobile right here. Royale. Very cool. That's nice. And look here. Old DeLorean right here. It's not a time machine on this one. This is all standard. Just like it should be. Old DeLorean here. There might be a few here today. So, get a stainless steel body. All stainless steel. Beauty. We'll go inside too today, but we're going to do the outside first, then we'll go inside, get a shot of the driver's side. What do you think of this, honey?
Yeah,
Little DeLorean time machine.
I know it.
Looking for Doc Brown. But that's pretty cool. I got a friend of mine who actually has a DeLorean time machine. We're going to take a ride in that hopefully soon. All right, we're going to head this way. Got some really nice Shelby Cobras here. Look at that right here. Nice. Now look at this Dodge right here. That's different. All custom.
Really love the color.
Yeah, isn't that nice?
That's actually gorgeous.
I love how the wheels are too.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
See the inside. Just love these customs, how they do them. You got enough trunk space, that's for sure, on this one. 1940. Custom right there. Very nice. And there's the back of the Shelbys. Look at hot rod here. That's nice.
Nice.
It is nice.
Inside?
Yeah, I got a shot of it. Yep. Look at this one here. That's so cool.
That's great.
Trying to get some cool shots of these cars. That's Excalibur? I think that is an Excalibur. Yeah.
Hey, that's really cool.
Yeah, I think it's an Excalibur.
Is it?
Yeah, you don't see those anymore. Could be wrong. If you know what it is, please correct me. But I do remember the Excaliburs looking like this from a long time ago. It says Recaro on the seat. Oh boy, you can smell that leather too. So it says Recaro there, so maybe that's what it is. It says Golden Spirit. Okay, But do you guys remember the Excaliburs? They kind of looked like this car, didn't they? Back in the day. Yeah, that is very nice. This is Ken, and I love his Mickey Mouse shirt.
Well, we are into Mickey Mouse.
That's
Mickey
awesome.
Mouse is an important part of our life.
I love Mickey. I grew up down in Florida when I was a kid and went to Disney quite a bit. But the thing we're here to see is your car. This is pretty amazing. Now, what is this car? What is it called?
All right, it's a 1982 Ford Mustang
Okay.
that was remade by a fellow by the name of Zimmer down in Miami, Florida.
Miami. Okay.
He'd buy up Ford cars, Ford
Right.
Mustangs, without the hoods and without the trunks and without the fenders.
Right.
But the inside was all enclosed, so he could put them on a car transport and take them down to Florida and not get them hurt in the weather.
Right.
He'd buy 20 to 40 cars at a time, and he'd buy them for $2,000 to $3,000 a car.
Right.
And then he'd turn around and sell them for $5,000 to $6,000 a car.
Do you know how many they made of this car?
5,000.
5,000. That was it.
That was it.
Is yours numbered?
Yeah,
you know?
it's like 300 and something.
Well,
It's
it's still a low number, yeah.
Yeah, but it's not the low number.
Right. Well, I love it. Yeah, it's a great looking car. I'm sure you get a lot of people looking at this car.
People really like it because it's different.
Yeah.
I mean, there's up there. There's 100 and some Corvettes.
Right. They're all the
Only
same.
one of these.
Right. It's just one of these.
Actually, there's two in Concord. Fellow's got a white one.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bought it last year.
Wow. How many miles does it have on it?
Got 37,000 miles on it.
Oh, that's amazing. Now, what year is this one?
It's a 1982.
82. Okay.
82.
Wow, that is so beautiful.
Sure, get the mud bases in the back seat. Cars are all about the details. Recaro seats, the same kind of seat you have in a Disney bus.
Okay.
Comfortable seats. Back there, there's a little crystal bud vase with a rosebud.
Okay. Now I thought at first when I was looking at it, I thought it was called a Recaro but now it's Recaro leather.
Yeah.
But it's a Zimmer car. You see right here with the Z.
That's the Zimmer.
There we go. But this is such a cool. And I see now. Do you go to Disney a lot?
About 4 times a year.
Nice.
My wife coming up there with the Mickey Mouse.
She got her Mini on.
Yeah.
Okay. That is great. Now, have you driven this into Disney?
No.
No. Okay.
Stays in Concord.
Stays in the garage. Right.
Stays in Concord.
Right. This is such a nice car. I love it. I'm sure it gets a lot of eyes for sure.
We have fun with it.
Yeah, it's a fun car. That's for sure. Well, Ken, I appreciate it.
Hey,
Thank you so much.
See you on the channel.
Yes,
Very
you will.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, it is packed today. Check that out. Tons of cars, unlike last year. And like I said, we came later, so we missed out on a lot of this stuff. So we're going to capture all this today and see how much we can see is putting in this video, all these beautiful cars. But yeah, check that Look at that Maverick. It's a 72 Maverick right there. It's cleaning up his car. Get a Mustang over here. And another hot rod over here. That is so cool. Love these cars. Here's that Maverick. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that motor. 302. That Mustang here, V8 289, of course. That's what mine is. It's a shot of the inside of this. Look at that. Nice. Get a shot of the inside of that hot rod over here. It's an old Ford. Here you go, right here. That dash is something else. That's pretty cool. And they got some booths here too, selling stuff. That's neat. Then over here, I saw this right here. Waffle Snack World. Right here. I love this Ford Galaxy 500 XL right here. Love that. Let's see the inside of that. Look at all the room you have. Look at how spacious that is. Love it. Over here, it's the motor. You got a 352. Nice. Got this LT right here, Camaro. There's the inside. Got his dice up there too. Knows a lot of these cars have their dice. Yeah, showing their flair for sure. Get a whole shot of this. There we go. It's a beauty. But yeah, they go way back this way. I love the old Supra. A friend of mine, I loved his Supra. He had a red one like this when we were in high school back in the 80s. Yeah, it was fun riding those. Supras are great. They were fast old cars. Still are. It's a 5-speed. It looks like, yeah, that's so cool. Yeah, he had the same setup too with the windows and everything, just like that. Old Celica Supra. Now this is my speed right here. I love this Ford pickup truck. The V8 in there. That is sharp. I love that. There's the motor in here. Yeah, I don't think that's stuck. So, but I love this. I'd ride around this all day. There's the interior here. I love that checkerboard style. Man, it looks great. You got a little hula girl there. She's hula dancing on your dash. Love that. Wow. And here's the bed back here. Look at that. It's got a cool leather covering over the top there. This is primo. I love this. That is really, really nice. That is so cool. But we're going to go inside in just a minute. Hope you enjoyed the little walk around through here. Basically, most of these are all Corvettes. Corvette Club is here. But yeah, we're just walking around enjoying the cars. Hope you are too. We just love our classic cars. We're going to hit a lot more car shows this year. And some of our regular car shows. And we'll hit some of the dealerships too, our classic car dealerships. We're at Gateway today. We're going to go inside and see what they have inside, which always have some really nice cars in there. So if you're ever in Charlotte, be sure to stop by if you're either interested in just seeing the cars. You can come in there and take all the pictures and video you want. Or if you are in the market for a classic, yeah, they may have it right down here in the Gateway Classic Cars. Check out this Chevy SS. Oh, wow. I love this box look. That's beautiful. Super Sport. Chevy 2 SS. Because antique numbers there, antique auto. We'll get a shot of the inside. Look at that. You like this one?
Love it.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
I just like it. It's kind of boxy, but I like it. I mean, it's just a cool car. That's so nice. All right, we're gonna head in. What's that?
The Black Pearl.
Oh, the Black Pearl. Like out of the Pirates of the Caribbean. Look at that motor. Wow. All right, we're gonna head inside, I think, next and see the cars in there. I love this body style. Look at the red walls on there. Nice. It's beautiful. Look at the inside. Love the old convertible Corvettes. Sharp. Stingray right here. Oh, that's beautiful. I always love the black and the red combination. Souping it up there. Sipping on that gas. That is so sharp. Wow. Now, he's been in our videos before. Yeah, he was up Spencer at the Transportation Museum. Yeah, we talked to those guys. Pulling out. Look at the license plate. Lightning. And here is the inside. It is packed. You got vendors in here too. That's nuts. That's pretty wild. All the vendors. So cool. You're gonna walk around and look at all these wonderful cars. this Corvette. Check this out. This one's beautiful. I love the white too. Look at the black interior. Convertible. Got the cover right there on top of the motor. Oh, that's sharp. Again, I love these older Corvettes like this. The body styles are my favorites.
Yeah, it's got a lot of.
Oh, wow. Amazing. It's a 58 Corvette right here. Yeah, good turnout today. That is for sure. So I hope you enjoyed the walk around. I've seen all the cars. Had a lot of fun. Check that one out, that Corvette. That's like a few inches off the ground right there. But cars are still pulling in, and but we had a great time. We're heading back to our car. So that was a lot of fun. We walked around, saw all these beautiful cars, did a walkthrough. Yeah. What'd you think of the showroom?
Gorgeous in there. Beautiful cars.
Yeah, we saw a bunch of new cars there, so be sure to check that out. And again, I'll have their link to this site, to Gateway, so you can see all the prices too, because there's a lot to see. And they'll have the pictures of the cars, they'll have the prices and the information on all the vehicles that are in here, all the classics. They have some newer ones as well, but they have a great variety of cars. But the show is a lot of fun. Be sure to maybe make it, because a lot of times I keep up on my events on my Facebook. So a lot of times I'll find out what's going on and when it happens and the dates and the times and everything. But we'll have in the description, we'll have the information on Gateway Classic Cars. Did you have fun?
I did. Had a blast. Thanks for viewing us, guys.
Yeah, and we ran our friends, Rock and Sandy, from Adventures at Rock, and I'll have his information in the description, so you can check his site out. He's covered this today as well. But yeah, we love those guys. They're awesome. All right, guys, you take care. We'll see you soon. More coming. Bye-bye.